Welcome back to another video and happy Christmas Eve to everyone. And in this video we actually bought ourselves a Christmas present a few days ago when we were in the city. Super unexpected. We're actually planning to build the chair ourselves, but it was in such a good discount. Plus we have spotted that chair for quite a while now, so now it was a perfect deal. But we did cheap out on the leg rest, the footrest, because that was 60 euros and that was a bit too pricey for us. So we're gonna be building our own footrest, but let's now first go to the clips that we filmed super unexpected in the shop of us trying out the chair and see which one we chose. And then we're gonna get back here, assemble it and build the footrest. I don't know about the fluffy thing. I love it. Like, I love it, but I don't know if I will love it in a month.
If it gets flat?
Yeah, not flat, but like, ugh.
I don't know.
160 with a leg rest. I mean, for the messing around, it would...
Is it like
140 with a leg rest, but I think for the messing around now, it is worth it, because we would, I mean, we could not make it now anyways. We'll have to make it in spring, because I don't think the barn is not in a way to build anything. And but there's another option for 160, you said?
Without leg rest.
Without leg rest, but I think the leg rest, honestly, that is definitely something we could build. That is not a problem. That one, this one is a bit... Okay, so this is option 1. Let's see the option 2. The difference between me, I love it, it's so fluffy.
No, it's not fluffy, it's nylon.
The only thing I don't like, if you look like close up, is like really like
everything there. You will sit and take everything, every dirt, every little dust you have to take out.
Imagine David is sitting here and eating a pastry.
I cannot touch it.
Just don't.
Okay, so the people got off from the option 2. It's in brown, so let's go over there. But they have it also in cream color, but theirs is in brown, so we will try them like next to each other, see which one we like. So that's the second option. I said we're gonna sit in the brown one, but it got sold out, so that is the last one. And I feel this one is the one we wanted for like a year now. And
If not more.
If not more. And it's discounted from 300 to 160. And I feel like it hugs you. I don't know. Let's see what my mom says. Is it worth it?
It hugs you, no?
I think so. It's higher.
Oh yeah, the higher part as well. I think that was stupidly low.
And I can. This is okay.
Will it fit the car? Will it fit in the car?
Oh, definitely.
Definitely in the backside.
So we actually had also a third option now that we were going out, but we already paid for it. The other one, this one for 100 euros. But it feels like it's less or something.
It's not so good. It's lower as well, your head. Try to put your head back, yeah.
Okay, let's go pick it up and fingers crossed it fits in the car. Okay, so it does not fit with a box. Might fit without it. Woohoo! We got it!
Where's the legs?
Here? No? Where's the legs?
Maybe they're inside. Here's the pocket. Where's the legs?
What? Is that a hidden pocket?
Yeah.
What?
Hide money in there.
What is that pocket?
You can hide things in there.
That's cool. All our snackies away from the kids.
Oh, true.
Oh, we made it home.
There's no way to grab it. Okay, I got it.
Oh, the big sheep. Whoa, it's windy. Oh, that's bad. Woo. You fit?
Barely, yeah.
Good that we have like big doors.
Yeah, actually.
That's standard. Whoa, we already made it dirt.
We were riding it on the floor.
Secret pocket. I love that secret pocket.
There's a lot of space in the secret pocket.
There's a lot of space. What do you put in the secret pocket?
Secrets. Oh, real wood. It's actual real wood. It's nice to see.
So we got the chair as you saw, and originally we wanted to put it over here because that is the heating wall, and I think it would be a really nice addition to this corner once we fix up that wall. But for now, since it's holidays, let's go see where it looks better. So I think over here it looks much better. I don't know, it kind of ties this whole corner with the Christmas tree. Actually, we did put it over there so you can also look at the tree, but now we can sit really comfortably and watch TV, watch Christmas movies, and enjoy the holidays. But before we get to that, let's now go outside and build the footrest, because I think that's going to be a really nice addition, and it's going to be fully from recycled whatever we have in the barn, except of the fabric that we got on a discount. So let's go outside and build the footrest. So we're going to be using the 10 centimeter, the one that we have for our siding.
And this is exactly
Perfect.
60 centimeters.
And that's very pre-planed, which we could
planed,
put
yeah.
on the bottom just in case we touch it. And in the making of my Christmas houses that are on my channel that we build, somewhat, the plastic got stuck.
No,
And now the wood got stuck and smacked the plastic, and now we have no guard, which is scary. We have ordered one, but we gotta be very careful. No accidents. Okay, that looks good.
Do we do exactly 30?
I like our way of marking. Not like we bought a pack of 20 pence. And by the way, this project is fully upcycling, recycling all the woods that we have. These ones, of course, are from the facade.
Cutaways, yeah.
Cutaways that we had laying, one as you saw, and this one is
From the desk.
From the desk, and it's already.
And it's already been upcycled. It's already a roof.
Yeah.
Like a roof wood for the tiles to go on, and all the roof. So
And we already have cleaned it, so we don't have to do any work.
yeah,
Quick
it's
and
nice and
easy.
sandpapered. So
And-
we are ready to go.
And the flap of the mattress, the flap that can go on top is from the
Left over
couch.
from the couch, which is already a mattress that
Yeah.
we had. And the fabric is gonna be
New.
blanket that was a discount because it was dirty.
Apparently, which was not
But it
really
doesn't
dirty.
look dirty now.
Perfect.
Done.
Okay, are we done outside? Quick!
Yes.
That was
So
like
we're going
5
inside
minutes.
and assemble it.
That was literally 5 minutes. What a Christmas weather. Snow is falling, not around us. People playing with water puddles. Coitinho, are you helping? Coitinho. like, thank you. I was looking for it. Careful, Evie. So that's a blanket we're gonna be using. I got it for, how much was it? For 5 or 4 euros?
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna be using a double because single is way too skinny, I feel. So I think I'd rather double.
Yeah.
So originally we were actually looking for the fabric like the chair, but one, it was way too expensive, and second, we couldn't find like the perfect match. They were like way too awful and for the price. So we're just gonna go with blanket, and once we find something more proper, we can always re-stitch it on top or just put something nice over it. Yeah, wrap these little leggies like a scarf.
That's one thing I could do.
Evie's waiting to try it out.
As you can see, it is done. I think it took us in total 1 hour to build it fully from nothing, and definitely worth it. Instead of spending 60, we saved us quite a bit of money, and I feel like it's just as good. It's pretty nice and comfy, and you can use it as a chair as well. And maybe a bit better would be with a nicer to do the fabric under the legs, make some the legs to have a little plate so I can screw them from the bottom, not from the top. Would be a lot more things that I could improve on, but I think for 1 hour quick work, just to have it for Christmas now to rest our legs on and comfortably sit and enjoy it, it's a pretty good job. So I think that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this, and we're gonna see you in the next one. We'll see whatever we do next.